So again, thought we'd take a look at some tank and AFV World War II ammo in the collection currently. A lot of this was covered along with a lot more ordnance on my old channel, but thanks to this platform it got deleted, so not that I'm bitter or anything, but here we go anyway. First up, this is a steel cased German 8.8 centimeter or 88 millimeter, whichever you prefer. This is for the Flak 18 anti-aircraft gun, anti-tank gun, plus it's also for the Tiger 1 tank. It's fitted with a high explosive round. This has around about 72 millimeters of penetration at 2,000 meters. So it is said that if an Allied tank crew saw the muzzle flash of a Tiger, they had 2 seconds to react before that goes into the side of them. It has a range of about 2 miles. Next to it, there's two 76mm Russian t34 rounds. The one on the left is an armor piercing. It has 50mm penetration at 1,000 meters. The one on the right with the conical shaped head, this is the armor piercing composite rigid APCR. This has about 92mm penetration at 500 meters. Notoriously hard to get hold of World War II Russian large caliber shell cases, never mind the rounds. These two turned up in a Militaria fair on the same stall, so I got those. This is, next one, is a tank round from a tank that was the most numerous German tank in Normandy, and because of its long gun, the Allies often thought it was a Tiger, and it wasn't. So when you hear stories about Allies coming across the Tiger tank, 9 times out of 10 it was this tank. This is an armor piercing round for the Ww2 L43 gun of the German Panzer IV Model 2 and Model G tanks. This would have about 69mm penetration at 1,500 meters. It's not, in spite of the fact being 76mm, it's not a Panther tank round. The Panther tank shell case is different. This one is marked KWK40 for that specific gun, L43 of the Panzer IV. So that's Panzer IV. Next to it, this is a kind of an American adaptation of an American anti-aircraft gun for a tank. This is the tank that was brought in late World War II to combat the big Tigers. This is the American 90mm M26 Pershing tank round. Steel washed case. I do have a brass case somewhere, which I intend to put another round in at some later date. That's the 90mm Pershing. You can see it's comparable to Tiger 1. Next to it, the head's not fitted because the head's in mint condition, it can be stripped out. Head shell case, this is 76mm, typical Sherman tank of the period. Like I say, head's not fitted. If I put that head in there, it'll never come out again. So that's 76mm Sherman tank. Down there is British 2-pounder for 2-pound anti-tank gun. Also for the Matilda tank, the Cruiser tank series, and the Daimler armoured car. So that's 2-pounder. And next to it, this massive thing, this is Tiger 2, King Tiger. And as you can see, if you thought the Tiger 1 round was big, Tiger 2 is quite the size. It's got the same shell, obviously it's painted different, but the same shell features in both tanks. There's no difference between Tiger 1 shell and Tiger 2 shell. The difference is obviously in the shell case. So let's see, Tiger 1 shell case comes to about there. So on Tiger 2 shell case, Tiger 1 case is yay tall. So that extra couple of feet of Tiger 2 shell case means more propellant. And that means it can chuck the same shell further. So where Tiger 1 has a range of 2 mile, Tiger 2 has a range of 3 mile. So that is Tiger 2 shell case. So Tiger 2, Matilda for argument's sake, Sherman Pershing, Panzer IV, T34 or T34-85, T34 or T34-85, whichever one you prefer, and Tiger/Flak. So that's not a bad selection of tank rounds. I do have lots of artillery rounds, World War One, and a couple more have come in, which we'll see in a couple more videos today. But yeah, so that is what I personally group together as tank and AFV rounds. Now, fair enough, it all sits with all the other rounds in a place, but these are tank rounds, for argument's sake. Yeah, quite a nice setup of stuff. Bye for now.